Become mighty again. With myTpen survey, you can better understand your classroom and make smarter decisions through real feedback. Let's explore how teachers can easily create and share surveys to gather feedback from students, teachers, or parents. Start by clicking on Create a Survey. Fill in all the necessary fields, and in the AI prompt field, provide a brief description of the type of survey you want. This will help the AI generate relevant questions for you. Once you've done that, click Next. In just a few seconds, you'll see AI-generated questions listed. You have the option to set the question type as either rating or open-ended. You also have the flexibility to edit the AI-generated questions or manually add new questions. Take a quick review of your survey to ensure everything looks good. When you're ready, publish your survey by clicking the Create Survey button. Just like that, your survey is created. Copy the survey link and share it with your participants. There's no need for account creation to respond to the survey. Participants can open the link in any web browser and can choose to respond either anonymously or by providing their full name and email address. myTpen will automatically compile participant responses and present clear insights to help you make informed decisions. Schools can also gather opinions from parents on various programs or policies. Here you can see all survey responses at a glance. You also can open any respondent's profile to view their answers and feedback in detail. You're not average anymore. You are a mighty teacher.